guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another hair tutorial Tuesday. I love saying that. Today I want to share with you 3 really quick, easy, simple, but beautiful hairstyles. These hairstyles are great if you are running short on time. Maybe you want to switch up your hairstyle, or possibly you are a beginner. Then these will be great for you. So I'm going to turn around and let's get started. The first hairstyle is this braided ponytail, and it deserves its own video. I love it so much, you guys, and all you'll need is 1 hair elastic and 1 bobby pin. So starting on the left side, part your hair as normal and grab a section of hair from just above your temple and to the left side of the crown of your head. Next step, divide this section into 3 equal pieces so that we can begin a French braid. Once you have your sections ready, I like to complete a 3-strand braid 1 time through just to act as the foundation for my French braid. So I'm just bringing my left section over the center section and then bringing my right section over the center section, keeping everything nice and loose. Once you've done 1 full pass, we can begin French braiding. So now I'm grabbing all of the hair above my temple to the right side of my crown and incorporating it into that right section. Then I'm just going to bring that right section over the center section, remembering to direct this braid diagonally, and it's much easier than it sounds. Now on the left side, I'm grabbing all of my hair that's over my ear, and I'm going to incorporate that into the left section nice and loosely and just bring it over the center. You want to continue French braiding diagonally to the middle of the bottom of your head. So on the right side, I'm now grabbing all of my hair that's above my ear and incorporating it into that section, and then just bringing it over the center section. Then you want to incorporate all the remaining hair into that left section and then repeat the same steps on the right side. Once you've reached the bottom, just secure it off with a hair elastic. Now to transform this hairstyle, we are going to pancake the braid. I like to anchor my ponytail with my one hand and use my index finger and thumb to gently pull on the sides of the braid. I like to work from the top down, pulling little by little, because it's much easier to make the braid larger than it is to make it smaller, but have fun with it. Once you're happy with your braid, it should look similar to this. Then to finish off the look, grab a small section of hair from the underside of your ponytail and wrap it around your hair elastic. I just took a bobby pin and secured the ends of my hair to the underside of the elastic. And there we have it. I am in love with this hairstyle. I seriously can't get over it. It's so simple yet makes a statement. I think that this is so perfect for any outdoor event this summer. This next hairstyle screams beachy, summer, boho vibes, and all you'll need for it is 1 hair elastic. First step, grab a small section of hair that's just above the crown of your head, making sure to leave the sides down for now. Then divide the section into 3 equal pieces. And we're going to be creating a deconstructed Dutch braid, but you could also do a fishtail braid. So bring that right section underneath the middle section, and then bring the left section underneath the middle, and then you just want to repeat this 1 more time through. Now on the right side, loosely grab all of the hair that's above your temples and join it into that right section, and then just bring it underneath the middle. And then repeat on the left side. So all the hair that's above your temples, you want to join it into that left section, and then you're just going to bring it underneath the middle section. Now for that deconstructed look, you just want to do 2 full braid throughs without picking up any extra hair. So just bring your right section underneath the middle and bring your left section underneath the middle, and then just repeat this 1 more time. Now I'm going to loosely grab all of the hair that's above my ears, and I'm going to join it into that right section and bring it underneath the middle. And then I'm going to repeat the same steps on the left side. So grabbing all of the hair that is above my ears, join it into that left section, and then bring it under the middle. Then I'm just going to braid it a couple more times. Feel free to braid yours all the way to the end if you'd like, but I think it's quite unique as a half up, half down hairstyle. So it should look a little something like this, and you can really see the different layers where we picked up those sections. Now anchor the bottom of your braid with one hand, and with your index finger and thumb, gently pull on the outside of the braid to make it more voluminous. I think the more voluminous the better, but feel free to play around with it and see what you like. And once you're happy with how the braid looks, feel free to pull out the side sections a bit more to give it a more relaxed appearance. Then secure it with a hair elastic. So there you have it. I love this hairstyle. I think it's so relaxed and beachy, and definitely a unique way to pull your hair off your face during those warm months. This last hairstyle is more sophisticated but still effortless. For this hairstyle, all you will need are 2 hair elastics and a hair clip for additional support. First step, you want to create a low ponytail with all the hair at the middle of your head, and just toss the side pieces out of the way for now, and then secure your ponytail at the nape of your neck with a hair elastic. I like to add additional volume to my ponytails by gently pulling up on small sections of hair around the crown of my head. Now, with those side sections, you just want to tie them together above your ponytail. Think the first step of tying a shoe, that's all I'm doing, is bringing that right section over and underneath the left section and tying them together. So just clip the ponytail out of the way on the top of your head and secure your 2 ends together underneath the ponytail with a hair elastic. Then unclip your ponytail, and you can leave it like this, but let's be real, I'm going to pancake it. So I'm just pulling on the sides of my twists to fan them out and give them a more voluminous appearance. And then gently tugging on the sides to make the hairstyle appear more effortless. And there we go. It's such a simple way to change up your everyday ponytail and turn it into a nighttime look or more work appropriate. There we have it, you guys. 3 simple hairstyles that are perfect for summer and quick enough to do in a hurry. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. I personally loved them all. That's why I included all 3 in this tutorial. I just couldn't decide. Also, let me know in the comments if you prefer when I put 3 easy hair tutorials into one video, or if you like individual videos. But hopefully you found this video helpful and inspired you to try something different with your hair. If you did like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps me a bunch. But thank you again, you guys, for watching and all of your continuous support. It means the world to me, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.